Hello everyone, welcome to YDS Competitive World. In this video, we are going to discuss the top most important MCQs regarding Indian polity. All these questions were taken from previous year's exam papers. Many are watching without subscribing. Please subscribe to our channel and encourage us to do the content like this. And if you find this video helpful, please like, share with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more such useful content. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon so that you never miss any updates. Without any delay, let's get into the video. Let's start with the first question. Which of the following features was borrowed by the Constitution of India from Ireland? Option A. Separation of powers. Option B. Directive principles of state policy. Option C. Fundamental rights. Option D. Amendment method. And the answer is option B. Directive principles of state policy is the correct answer. Second question. Which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution is related to the directive principles of state policy? Option A. Articles 11 to 50. Option B. Articles 25 to 55. Option C. Articles 36 to 51. Option D. Articles 50 to 101. And the answer is option C. Articles 36 to 51 is the correct answer. Third question. According to Article 58 of the Constitution of India, no person shall be eligible for election as president unless he is a citizen of India, has completed the age of dash, and is qualified for election as a member of the House of the People. Option A. 27 years. Option B. 30 years. Option C. 35 years. Option D. 40 years. And the answer is option C. 35 years is the correct answer. Fourth question. What is the minimum age presided for a person to be eligible to become Vice President of India? Option A. 25 years. Option B. 30 years. Option C. 35 years. Option D. 40 years. And the answer is option C. 35 years is the correct answer. Fifth question. Which word has been substituted for the words unity of the nation in the 42nd Amendment Act of the Preamble of the Constitution of India? Option A. Unity and honesty of the nation. Option B. Unity and equity of the nation. Option C. Unity and integrity of the nation. Option D. Unity and morality of the nation. Option C. Unity and integrity of the nation is the correct answer. Sixth question. Which of the following is not a part of the Directive Principles of State Policy of the Constitution of India? Option A. Protection and improvements of environment and safeguarding of forests and wildlife. Option B. Protection of monuments and places and objects of national importance. Option C. Provision for earlier childhood care and education to children below the age of 6 years. Option D. Provision for protection of minority regions in Rajasthan. And the answer is option D. Provision for protection of minority regions in Rajasthan is the correct answer. Seventh question. Which of the following fundamental rights has been amended as a constitutional right in the form of Article 300A in the new Chapter 4, Part 12 of the Indian Constitution? Option A, cultural and educational rights. Option B, right to freedom of religion. Option C, right against exploitation. Option D, right to property. And the answer is option D, right to property is the correct answer. Eighth question. Which article of the Constitution of India guarantees the right to constitutional remedies? Option A, Article 28. Option B, Article 29. Option C, Article 30. Option D, Article 32. And the answer is option D. Article 32 is the correct answer. Ninth question. What did the Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act 2029 in India lay down? Option A. Legal underpinnings for achieving universal higher education. Option B. Legal underpinnings for achieving vocational education. Option C. Legal underpinnings for achieving universal elementary education. Option D. Legal underpinnings for achieving quality and excellence in education. And the answer is option C. Legal underpinnings for achieving universal elementary education is the correct answer. Then the question. Which article of the Constitution of India grants citizens the right to freedom of speech and expression, freedom of assembly, and freedom to practice any profession? Option A. Article 17. Option B. Article 18. Option C. Article 19. Option D. Article 25. And the answer is option C. Article 19 is the correct answer. 11th question. Which of the following committees was responsible for making recommendations that leads to the 42nd Constitutional Amendment for the Declaration of Fundamental Duties? Option A. Swaran Singh Committee. Option B. Abid Hussain Committee. Option C. Khusro Committee. Option D. Raja Chillai Committee. And the answer is option E. Swaran Singh Committee is the correct answer. 12th question. Who is the ultimate interpreter of the Constitution? Option A. District courts. Option B. President. Option C. Supreme Court. Option D. Speaker. Option C. Supreme Court is the correct answer. 13th question. Who can appoint the judges of the High Court? Option A. Governor. Option B. Prime Minister. Option C. President. Option D. Attorney General. And the answer is option C. President is the correct answer. 14th question. According to the Article 243I of the Constitution, the governor of a state constitutes the Finance Commission for every option A 2 years, option B 3 years, option C 5 years, option D 7 years. And the answer is option C 5 years is the correct answer. 15th question. Which of the following articles of the Constitution of India provides measures to ensure the enforcement of fundamental rights? Option A. Article 19. Option B. Article 32. Option C, Article 29. Option D, Article 14. And the answer is option D. Article 32 is the correct answer. 16th question. According to the preamble, what does the promotion of fraternity assure? Option A, economic opportunities. Option B, unity and integrity of the nation. Option C, allows all to profess, preach, and practice any religion. Option D, thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship. And the answer is option B. Unity and integrity of the nation is the correct answer. 70th question. Which article of the Constitution of India prohibits discrimination on the grounds of religion, race, and caste? Option A, Article 15. Option B, Article 16. Option C, Article 17. Option D, Article 18. And the answer is option A. Article 15 is the correct answer. 18th question. Which constitutional authority is appointed by the President of India under Article 76 of the Indian Constitution? Option A, Chief Election Commissioner. Option B, Attorney General of India. Option C, Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Option D, Chief Justice of India. And the answer is option B, Attorney General of India is the correct answer. 19th question. Which of the following are the features of the parliamentary form of government? 1. The President is a nominal or de jure executive. 2. The Prime Minister is the titular executive. 3. The President is the head of the state. 4. The Prime Minister is the head of the government. Option A, only 1, 3 and 4. Option B, only 1, 2 and 3. Option C, only 1, 2 and 4. Option D, only 2, 3 and 4. And the answer is option A, only 1, 3 and 4 is the correct answer. Question number 20. In which of the following articles is the fundamental duties like protecting public property and renouncing violence stated? Option A, Article 11A. Option B, Article 36A. Option C, Article 51A. Option D, Article 72A. And the answer is option C, Article 51A is the correct answer. Question number 21. Which of the following set of articles of the Indian Constitution guarantees different types of freedoms to its citizens? Option A, Articles 14 to 19. Option B, Articles 19 to 22. Option C, Articles 25 to 30. Option D, Articles 30 to 35. And the answer is option B, Articles 19 to 22 is the correct answer. Question number 22. Swaran Singh Committee was established by the government under which Prime Minister in 1976 to make recommendations regarding fundamental duties? Option A, Morarji Desai. Option B, Indira Gandhi. Option C. Jayaprakash Narayan. Option D. Chaudhary Charan Singh. And the answer is option D. Indira Gandhi is the correct answer. Question number 23. In which of the following forms of government does the executive enjoy the right to dissolve the legislature? Option A. Presidential form of government. Option B. Totalitarian government. Option C. Parliamentary form of government. Option D. Oligarchy. And the answer is option C. Parliamentary form of government is the correct answer. Question number 24. Name the first finance minister of independent India whose statue was inaugurated by the Union Textiles Minister in Coimbatore. Option A. R.K. Shanmugha Shetty. Option B. C.D. Deshmukh. Option C. T.T. Krishnamachari. Option D. Sachindra Chowdhury. And the answer is option A. R.K. Shanmugam Chetty is the correct answer. Question number 25. The 42 Constitutional Amendment Act 1976 added three new words to the preamble: socialist, secular, and option A. Fraternity. Option B. Integrity. Option C. Republic. Option D. Democratic. And the answer is option B. Integrity is the correct answer. Question number 26. Which is the essential non-justiciable feature of the Indian Constitution associated with the welfare and well-being of the common man? Option A. Parliamentary sovereignty. Option B. Federalism. Option C. Fundamental rights. Option D. Directive principles of state policy. And the answer is option D. Directive principles of state policy is the correct answer. Question number 27. Which of the following dimensions of liberty is not mentioned in the preamble of the Constitution of India? Option A. Expression. Option B. Thought. Option C. Belief. Option D. Opportunity. Option D. Opportunity is the correct answer. Question number 28. According to which of the following constitutional articles in India does the government need to present the estimated receipts and expenditures before the Parliament? Option A. Article 212. Option B. Article 112. Option C. Article 312. Option D. Article 412. And the answer is option B. Article 112 is the correct answer. Question number 29. What is the main content of the fourth schedule in the Constitution of India? Option A. Provisions for state legislature. Option B. Allocation of seats in the Lok Sabha. Option C. Directive principles of state policy. Option D. Allocation of seats in the Council of States. Option D. Allocation of seats in the Council of in States is the correct answer. Question number 30. In which year was the Swaran Singh Committee set up by the Indira Gandhi government? Option A 1978, option B 1974, option C 1976, option D 1972, option C 1976 is the correct answer. Question number 31. What was the main objection against the Directive Principles of State Policy in the Constitution Assembly? Option A. They were considered as novel features. Option C. Option B. The state was responsible for those policies. Option C. They were non-justiciable in character. Option D. They were in an instrument of instructions. And the answer is option C. They were non-justiciable in character is the correct answer. Question number 32. How many fundamental duties of citizens have been enumerated by the 42nd Amendment of the Constitution adopted in 1976? Option A 9, option B 10, option C 11, option D 13, option B 10 is the correct answer. Question number 33. Which system of India is based on the Westminster model? Option A Indian parliamentary system, option B welfare state system, option C federal system, option D strong center system, option E Indian parliamentary system is the correct answer. Question number 34. Which freedom is protected by Article 19D of the Constitution? Option A freedom to reside and settle in any part of India. Option B freedom to move freely throughout the territory of India. Option C freedom of speech and expression. Option D freedom to assemble peacefully. Option B freedom to move freely throughout the territory of India is the correct answer. Question number 35. The parliamentary government is also known by which other names? 1. Cabinet government. 2. Responsible government. 3. Westminster model of government. 4. Fixed executive system of government. Option A only 1, 3 and 4. Option B only 1, 2 and 3. Option C only 1, 2 and 4. Option D only 2, 3 and 4. Option B only 1, 2 and 3 is the correct answer. Question number 36. The National Defence Fund is governed by an executive committee which is chaired by option A President, option B Prime Minister, option C Vice President, option D Defence Minister. Option B Prime Minister is the correct answer. Question number 37. To cherish and follow the noble ideas that inspired our national struggles for freedom is a dash fundamental duty in the list of fundamental duties enshrined in our Indian Constitution. Option E first, option B second, option C third, option D fourth, option B second is the correct answer. Question number 38. Which article of the Constitution of India mentions about enlargement of the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court? Option A, Article 138. Option B, Article 140. Option C, Article 142. Option D, Article 144. Option A, Article 138 is the correct answer. Question number 39. For strengthening the fundamental duties, the Virma Committee identified a few existing acts by which a proper implementation of such duties can be accomplished. Which of the following was not referred by him? Option A, Representation of People Act 1951. Option B, Protection of Civil Rights Act 1955. Option C, Unlawful Activities Protection Act 1967. Option D, Wildlife Segregation Act 1970. Option D, Wildlife Segregation Act 1970 is the correct answer. Here comes the last question for this section. Question number 40. How many items does the Swaran Singh Committee recommended to the incorporated in the Constitution of India as duties of the Indian citizen? Option A 6. Option B 12. Option C 10. Option D 8. Option D 8 is the correct answer. That's it for today's MCQs on Indian polity. All these questions were taken from previous year's exam papers. And if you find this video helpful, please like, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more such useful content. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon so that you never miss any updates. Thank you for watching.